Yeah, today we are testing our PDTHR 300, which is being sent to Nigeria. We are conducting the live test of the rig. This is having huge jacks, as you can see here. ఒకసారి కింద మీద we are conducting the drilling test before dispatch. This rig is under dispatch. We are moving it tomorrow. We are now lifting the mast. As you can see, the mast is in the air now, being lifted. Okay. The mast is for 15 feet rod handling. The mast is channel mast for rod handling 15 feet. As you can see, the rotation gearbox with the 400 OMV motor. It is a 400 OMV motor. And the mast guide dia is 315. It is 14 inch dia. You can see that we are now conducting the gearbox, RH gearbox tests by traveling it up to the mast. This is our control panel, and these are the heavy box type jacks. As you can see, jacks. Yeah. We are the only company which conduct a live telecast of all testing of everything. As you can see, it is a 600 liter diesel tank. It is sufficient to cater the compressor. And this is double LNT pump. It is not a single pump, it is a double LNT pump. Okay. We will be starting the drilling in another 10 minutes. The second part of the drilling will be also telecasted to you in few minutes. Thank you for watching.